Hello. Are you looking for the evidence analysis you need when writing about the theme family within A Christmas Carol? Well, look no further. The aim of this video is to provide you with all the information you need to help you achieve the very highest marks when being asked to explore family in the novella. What we'll do now is run through a plethora of key quotes and analysis which you can include. So let's begin. A solitary child, neglected by his friends, is left there still. Scrooge says he knew it, and he sobbed. Dickens is highlighting that isolation and cruelty leads to cruelty and sadness. So there's that idea of not being part of a family creates that cruelty. The only time I know of in a long calendar of the year when men and women seem by one consent to open their shut up hearts freely and to think of people below them as if they really were fellow passengers to the grave and not another race of creatures bound onto other journeys. Open their shut up hearts. Again, this juxtaposes the oyster of Scrooge that Dickens suggests that being an open and loving individual is the allegory to this tale. The simile, as if they were alive, demonstrates not only the inequality and poverty of the time, but also helps demonstrate the socialist message of the writer. And this is supported further by the another race of creatures. God bless us, every one, said Tiny Tim, the last of all. The Christian message of goodwill to all is highlighted in this quote. It is interesting that the character Scrooge, who has everything, wishes no one well, whilst impoverished and disabled young boy who has nothing blessed humanity. And there's a selection of key quotes that you could be looking to use based on this theme. Good luck with your revision.